Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a mystery box by Kitch to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Kitch just came out with their very first mystery box, and if you know me, your girl is a mystery hoe through and through. I love a mystery no matter what it is, so I definitely had to grab it so I could see what was inside and show you as well. I do actually have a link down below to like my storefront with them. If you do shop through using my link, you will save some money, so I will list that down below if you would like to save some money. I think it even takes some money off of this one as well if you are still interested. They do still have this available, but I did see on their Instagram they said that they are running out quickly. So if you want to snag one while they're still available, it's $98. But again, if you do shop through my link, it'll save you some money. And it says it's supposed to have a $154 value. And it says our very first ever Kitch mystery box is kind of a big deal. You're getting 9 full-size hair care faves worth $154 or higher for just $98. No minis, no fillers, just full-size, best-selling surprises. So I'm really excited to see what's all inside. It says limited quantities. When it's gone, it is gone. Treat yourself or others. So let's go ahead and see. I don't know if all of them are going to be the same, but I'm excited to see what's in here. I do also want to point out how nice of a box this is. You can reuse this, and I'm going to. It's a really nice box. I did have a few, so I placed 2 orders. I placed 1 order, and then after I placed my order, they were all talking about how during August, one order every day is getting a free Labubu or Labubu, or how you say those? I don't even know. I'm not into those, but I thought, oh, knowing my luck, I'm gonna get one now in my box. And I placed 2 orders in August and I did not get one. So in August, they're giving away, I guess, 1. And again, I thought I was gonna end up getting one, but I didn't. So once I show you what's in here, I'll show you the other things that I did purchase, because they do now have some hair fragrance, and I think I ended up getting 3 different scents total between the 2 orders. So let's go ahead and dive into the mystery box first. I already cut the tape. Let's see now. Dun dun dun. It says, we're Kitch, your best friend in beauty. Created to elevate your daily routine, we're proud to bring you high quality, eco-friendly beauty solutions, from healthy hair treatments to innovative styling tools, skin loving essentials, and self-care favorites. So there's a sneak peek to the presentation, and what's inside is dun dun dun, right about there. Ooh, so I'm seeing a lot of different things, and I'm excited. Oh wait, is this one that I already have? Yes. So okay, let's just go ahead and start seeing what's in here. So the first thing right on top, it says recycled fabric cloud scrunchies, universal fit, size 3. For one, when I see this, it reminds me of one of those big old plushy jackets. Like, these things are thick. I know I'm thick, but these things are thick. Look at them. They're very thick. I think those would be good probably in like thicker hair maybe. I just got some smaller ones, so I'm not sure, especially with my hair being so thin. I think I'll be all scrunchy if I try to use these. So I might just save these and put them in my advent calendar giveaway that I'm going to be doing soon for one of you guys. So I think that's what I'll do, is put this in a future giveaway. But they do remind me of those jackets, those big old plushy, big old jackets people wear in the winter. I don't really ever wear a jacket, but there's that. Now we have, and again, this is, I don't have that hair to save my life. Like, this would not go in my hair, just fall right out. So I will save this. I don't know if this will fit in one of those boxes or if I'll have to put this in a different future giveaway, but it says recycled plastic claw clip 1 piece. And again, I knew that I would be getting, because I have a lot of Kitch products. I order from them quite often. So I kind of already had an idea that I might have like repeated items that's in here. So I already knew I was going to be giving some stuff to you guys, and I was excited for that. So here is this big old claw clip. So if somebody has a lot of hair, this will definitely work great. And let's see, we have now Argan Oil Solid Shampoo. This is the shampoo and conditioner. I love this, so I will definitely use that. It is a set of both the conditioner and the shampoo. Let me see what it smells like. It says do not separate. It is a set. Oh my gosh, that smells so good though. And I love that they now are, because before their shampoo and conditioner bars were just a bar. And one time my little thing that they all sit in fell. And so my man picked everything up and put them into the things for me, which was nice. But when I got in the shower next, I'm like, what is what? Like I have 4. I have shampoo, I have conditioner, I have my body wash, and then I have the one for like shaving, the shea butter one. So they were all mixed up and I was like, oh, no, I have to go play like, what are you? So I love the fact that they changed it and now they do it where it's shaped like an S. Oh, sorry, not that side. It's shaped like an S for the shampoo and the conditioner is the same way but shaped like a C. So you can totally tell, at least until you get down to very little, what is what. The shampoo and the conditioner, I love that. Again, they didn't do that before, but I love the fact that they are now marked S and C for the shampoo and the conditioner. So there's a shampoo and conditioner set. I'm all for that. Here, I just bought this one. I just bought this one. 2 things in here I just bought right there. So what I might do is either save it for my backup or put it in a future giveaway so one of you guys can try it. But this is the Cleansing Tart Cherry Solid Body Wash. I wanted to grab this because I got the cherry hair thing and I thought that would be cool to, you know, the next day after using this, I can put the other in my hair, kind of like have the same matching scents. So that's what I was thinking, but I can kind of smell it, but it's not like a strong scent. Maybe once you start lathering it up. But here is the body wash. And I like that there's no particles in here because before there was only like one type that I could get that did not have particles in it. And now they're making it more and more without those little particles. And I'm all for it. I don't like the particles. So that is awesome. But now I have another one of these. So then the next thing in here is the self-draining soap dish. Here it's for 3. I don't know what I'll do with this one because I have the 4 top tier that's in my shower. But this is the self-draining. It's for 3 of them. And yeah, it's the pinkish, like the dusty rose pinky kind of color. It's all sealed and I don't know if I want to use this or not. So I might just save this. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Again, I knew I was going to get some stuff that I wasn't going to use, but, yeah, I wasn't expecting to have this in there. I think I saw that they were giving these away free. So I don't know. Anyway, moving along. Now we have is the Heatless Styling 4-piece Velvet Extra Large Flexi Rods. I did purchase a set and they weren't the extra large because my hair is never extra long or like needs anything with extra large. So I did get a set. So this set I'll probably just save in a future giveaway. I don't think this is going to fit in any of those doors of the advent calendar. So this would probably have to go into a different giveaway. But either way, I will save these for one of you guys to enjoy. I love the colors though, the different color schemes on there. But again, I just really wouldn't need the extra large. So I'd rather go to somebody that has a lot of hair that would use it. And it's the Heatless Styling 4-piece for creating damage-free curls and waves with a no-slip grip. But again, they are really pretty colors that are in there. Okay, so now we have something in here. I don't think I've gotten anything in a bottle like this, so I don't think I have this product. No, it is a heat protectant. It says priming, heat protectant and styling mist with argan oil for frizz control, shine, and flexible hold. I have quite a few products like this and I don't use them, so I might toss this in a future giveaway as well. So far, the only thing I'm keeping is the shampoo and conditioner just because it's in there. I'm actually excited about this because I was going to buy one of their shower caps and then I thought, you know what, maybe one might be in the mystery box. So I did not. and I'm glad I didn't. But this has the cherries on it. It's a satin lined flexi shower cap, adjustable one piece. And that's how the packaging looks. And let me show you, because this one definitely I will keep. So that's cool. At least I'm excited about one product here. And this, ooh, wait a minute. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. I don't wanna have to close my hole every time I get in the, I have to close my hole to get in the shower? What if I don't roll it enough or whatever and water gets in? I don't think I like this one. I don't think I like this style. So maybe I'll put this in a future giveaway then. So I'm not excited anymore. I'm not excited about it now. Next up is the last thing that I saw in here, which I already have because I bought this one too. I should have just bought the mystery box and then whatever I wanted after, I went and placed another order, but I'm impatient. So this is the hair perfume in Sheer Violet, and it's a 1.7 ounce or a 50 ml. This is what it looks like. So what I'll probably do is put mine then in a future giveaway so one of you guys can enjoy it, because I don't need 2 of them right away anyways. And with how many I have, I don't think I'll use it that fast. I was kind of looking for like something that would smell like violet, like I don't know, I was thinking something kind of like flowers or, but I don't really smell that. It's kind of hard to say what I do smell. It says smells like a sweet tea in a French bakery. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I don't really know what to say that smells like, but it doesn't really have like a nice good scent to it for some reason. Let me go ahead and pause right here really quick. I think now that I'm editing, I know why I'm not too fond of this scent. So actually looking at the ingredients list, which I did not do originally, the very last one here says rose keynotes, and Googling that bad boy, it says that that is the primary fragrant component, which would totally make sense on why it doesn't smell good to me, because I don't like the smell of rose and it gives me a migraine. However, when I looked at the fragrance notes, rose was not listed. That's why I bought this one, and I thought it would be a good one for me. However, my man really loves the smell on me. He says it smells super good. He can smell the florally part of it, and he said he really likes it. He likes the cherry one a little bit better than this one. However, I do want to let you know he absolutely loves it, and I not so much. And then, so this is the last thing for the mystery box. So that is everything that is inside the mystery box for basically $100. But my link will save you some money. With the mystery box, I also grabbed the Tarte Cherry hair perfume, because again, I thought that would be cool. And I did get the body wash, which is the same exact one that they sent to me. So I already have this one. And then now we have the Tarte Cherry. Let me spray it on the box. I hope this one smells better. This one reminds me of incense, like when you walk into like a crystal incense type store and you have all those incense. That's what this smells like, and I'm actually excited because I love that scent. I'm not smelling cherries, but I'm smelling incense. Does that make sense? Is it just me? Am I crazy? That is what I am smelling, is incense. So there's that, and then this is my first order that I got. And what I purchased in this order was the Continuous Mist spray bottle. Thought that was cool. They had it in 3 different colors. I grabbed it in white. So the Continuous Mist, that is what it looks like. So you can just, and it should just keep pshing as you need it. I bought a shampoo and conditioner set, which is the rosemary and biotin. That's something completely new. They've never had this option anytime I've ordered. So this is obviously a fairly new product. It's volumizing solid shampoo and volumizing solid conditioner. Oh crap. Okay, nope, I'm not gonna be able to use these. Rosemary and biotin. When you think of rosemary, you think of rosemary, right? You think it's gonna smell like rosemary? Boy, am I wrong. What does it say? Fragrance, lavender and vanilla. Like what? Why would you buy a rosemary bar and it's going to be lavender and vanilla? That makes no sense. To me, that makes no sense, but right there, that is the scent. So I can't even use this. It'll give me a headache. I can't stand lavender. So this is real great. This is turning out to be real great. So I did get 2 other scents the first time, which was that sheer violet, which I will pass this down to somebody else. So hopefully they smell it better than I do, because I don't need 2 of them. So there's that. And then the other one that I got was pistachio latte. I thought that that sounded good because I like a pistachio. So let's see. And then I have 1 item left that I got as a gift. Let me spray my box. So it looks like this. And okay, so that one I smelled pistachio. Let me pause one more time. When I was done recording and I had my man smell all 3 of the scents, this one he got to the last one and he jacked me. He literally took this from me, said it smells better on him because he smells like a woodsy. He doesn't really smell like the pistachio part of it. He smells like a nice woodsy, like masculine scent. So he literally jacked this from me. He sprayed it on him and it stayed on him for a very long time. He was smelling himself pretty much the entire night. He even sprayed it on himself the next morning. So yeah, I got jacked, but he was nice enough to tell me where he is keeping it in case I want to borrow it. Wasn't that nice of him? Okay, so that one smells like pistachio. Okay, so I like that, the pistachio one and the incense one. I will use the violet one. I don't know. It just, to me, it's not really doing it for me today. I'll try it again tomorrow. Maybe my senses are off today. I don't know. But the last thing in here I got actually for his niece. This is going to be either part of her Christmas or birthday gift, one of the 2. They're both in December. But this is the Harry Potter version. It's the Gryffindor because they had different colors and this is her favorite. It's the satin wrapped microfiber hair towel turban 1 piece. She has that really, really curly hair and apparently she's been taking her mom's towel that I gave her before. So time for her to have her own and she loves Harry Potter, so that's great. I even did get her some spongels through the FabFitFun sale, so she'll get her little Harry Potter spongels with her Harry Potter hair wrap thing. So if you wanted to know how this one looks, it feels nice and thick in this packaging. I don't want to open it because it's for her gift. But yeah, this is the towel. Again, it came in the 4 different designs and this is her favorite, so that's what I grabbed for her. So I'm excited about this and the pistachio thing and my spray bottle. I'm now disappointed in this one. And yeah, so rosemary. Why wouldn't it smell like rosemary? Why would you get something that's rosemary and it's gonna smell like lavender and vanilla? I have no clue. You know what, maybe I'm gonna ask my friend Rena if she wants to try it because she loves lavender and vanilla. So she might like it. I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna ask her. So that completes both of my orders that I purchased from Kitch. And again, I will have them listed down below. You can go to my little storefront. You can see what I love and you can actually save money if you do purchase through my link. So there's that. There's that. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you are not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, comment down below. Let me know, did you like any of these products? Have you seen their new hair perfumes? Did you want to get them? Have you got them? Do you like the smell? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.